Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to make your own emoji on iOS 18. So note that you must have an iPhone 15 Pro or a 15 base model and a 16 series of iPhone for this to work on the latest iOS 18.1 or 18.2. So right here we are gonna start. So I'm gonna be using an iPhone 13, so I'll be showing it through pictures only because it's not available to me. So first thing you will have to do is go to your general, and then you'll have to update your phone, of course, into the latest version right here. So software update, and then update it to iOS 18.2. From there, you're gonna have to actually enable your Apple Intelligence. If you're not yet a part of Apple Intelligence, you will have to join the waitlist. We have another video regarding that. And now, if you are part of the Apple Intelligence users, you can actually start and make your own emojis using AI. So you go to your Messages app, and then you will go with Image Playground. So Image Playground will give you early access, and then like I said, you will need to be requesting access for this. And then, so yeah, open the Messages app, and then tap a thread and compose a message, and then tap on the emoji icon, and then you can describe whatever type of emoji you want, and then you can tap on create new emoji. So it's gonna give you emoji like this one right here, T-Rex wearing tutu on a surfboard. Then you can insert it in the message that you're giving, and then also you can save it in your sticker section. And it's really that simple. So that's how you make your own emoji in iOS 18. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.